It was a fast delivery. Ordered placed 4th April and the parcel arrived 13th April. Wow, that's really a beautiful phone case. This one, a black top. This is so pretty, guys. You must purchase this. Enjoying. Ah, didn't see the label. That's a phone case though. Pretty bracelet. Was waiting for this, finally. Lipsticks. What? Why these brushes are so small? That's bad. I have nothing to say. Another beautiful phone cover. Another glowing moon chain. Yeah, that's all. Loved each and every items except the makeup brushes. Lipstick swatches. Look how pretty the shade is.